Welcome back everyone to the weekly market analysis of gold and silver. First, I will show you the gold market technical analysis and some other ideas and tips in the bigger time frame, daily time frame analysis. I'm taking the trend line and connecting the high, the major high here, this one and this one. Let me just copy it. I have pasted it here. You can see that the first one, it should connect well with the second one here. So there is a parallel channel. You can see the price, it is ranging in between these channel. The price here, it tries to break down but it couldn't. Here we saw a rejection and the price went up, and the retest here, and again it tries to break here but it couldn't. The perfect test of trend line. It is a bottom trend line. You can see the bottom of the channel here, it retested and it went up again. Now let me zoom in and see the current trend. I'm taking the trend line again. I'm just connecting the low with this one here, with this price. Why I'm connecting here is because this is the reason why the market actually went up and broke this high actually. So there was a previous trend line here. It was also good because it broke the high and it went up. So this is the reason it actually broke and went up. So I'm connecting this area. Same here. But in the previous one, but it couldn't drop and go down. Here it took the resistance, it became support and it pushed up. We saw a rejection here. It's not a perfect symbol. Signal is perfect and this candle, it went up actually. So as of now, the price, it is in the intermediate level buy trend. It is trying to go and reach the top of the channel, and here it might decide actually. So this is the region where it is most likely to reach, and from here I might try to scalp a bit of a sell here, or in this channel it could continue from this region actually. It is not necessary that it will drop or drop huge, but considering the channel, it could actually drop here, and after the drop we would see the decision here. These are the encoded analysis. Last week I have forecasted it. In Telegram I have forecasted it. Here it was supposed to hold here, but it didn't actually. In case if broken above and closes above, it will be up more. So it went up as I have mentioned here, and the price, it actually held here in the 1815.40 exactly, and it went up continuously. You can see here the daily price actually closed almost at this region, and after that it went up. It just keep pushing up. So the calculations are, the price, it is likely to reach in the 1871.57 region. As discussed in the previous chart analysis, in the daily frame rate, you can see that the price is likely to touch this area, and we will see a decision making area at this area. So the most likely the price is likely to go up more and will reach here. Not only that, the character of the gold and silver, it usually it breaks the major highs and lows, and it tends to do that, and from here you can see a instant drop of 100 to 200 pips in this area. You can scalp it or trade it based on the confirmations that you get based on that daily levels. So that's it for gold. Let's move on to the silver. This is the daily time frame silver market. Overall the price is pushing up. I use the trend line here to connect this low, because this candle, it is the reason, this is the price which is a reason to break this high here. So I'm connecting this with here. So the price, it keeps pushing up, so it's likely to reach this resistance or supply area, and from there it might actually break here and we see a little retracement at this region. From here it will decide actually. So it's almost in the decision making area. We can see similar price patterns and similar approach of price in both gold and silver. It's trying to reach the target. On the decisions, it should be done here most of the time. Let's see silver encoder levels. These are the silver encoder levels which I have forecasted last week. The price went up. You can see the rejection here. It broke and it went up. So there is a clear indication that the price is trying to push up, and there is a furthermore indication there is a rejection in the encoded region, which in further confirms that the price is pushing up. So we can see the price again went up, and again we see a retest now, and it's most likely to go up and reach this region. And this should be our silver target actually. The price is most likely to hold there, and it should hold most of the times. As shown in daily, this area, in the previous analysis I have showed you that the price is likely to hold here, and it might actually take this high and it could retrace a bit. It's what the calculations are showing. So just mark the levels here. These levels here on the right side, and mark it in your charts and trade based on that. I have given these levels in my Telegram also. Silver levels which I have forecasted this weeks ago actually. If you have seen my previous YouTube videos, you would know that these levels, now it's in the perfect target region. Yes, you can see the price exactly holding here, and one more time it will retest here, and it's trying to go up actually. So we trade based on the confirmations and the ideas which the market gives us. We don't blindly stick to single point of forecast. So if the market, in case if it drops, if it gives any other signals, we will adopt and trade based on these levels which I have marked here. So the price is clearly pushing up as of now, and will be looking to take more buys until here. So that's it for silver, and you can join the Telegram channel. I post my regular updates here. See you in the next video.